Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to share just a couple of pages on Notability of a file on Notability and not the whole thing. So this is a 6-page document, and let's say I only want the first two to be sent. So you're gonna click on this square with the up arrow, and you can choose whatever option you want. Let's say I want to send it over to Google Classroom, and I'm going to click Other App. Now you can see that there's a page range here. You're going to deselect all and just select the first two pages. Go back, notice that it's only choosing two out of 6 pages. And then I'm going to share my note, and then I can send it over to Classroom. And this is when it's going to allow you to um, send it over to choose whatever class that you're going to send it to, etc. Okay, and then you can then attach it to the assignment or whatever it is that you want to do. I'm sorry, this is taking a while right now. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, there it goes. So this is not the class you want to go into, you can click this little arrow. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right in front of where my mouth is on this little cartoon character. Okay, let's say I want to send it to bio. Um, Sandbox, or if that wasn't the one, that you can go ahead and do that again. Create a new assignment if you want to do that, or for students, you're going to choose the assignment and then put it in there. Okay, I hope that helps.